What is happening, my people? I'm here at Dixie's Castle Bromwich. Now this place is the first Dixie to try the spicy dip burger. The owner has got in touch with me and he's saying, yo BDN, you need to come down and you need to spice up your life with our spicy dip burger. So why not? Let's go in and let's check out what Dixie Castle Brom has got to say about the new spicy dip burger. Guys, so the spicy dip burger here, it is something special, you know. The burger comes fully loaded. It's coming with salads, it's coming with gherkins. I love gherkins on my burgers. And it's coming with a thick mayonnaise which makes it nice and juicy, mixes well with all that spicy dip. The burger is dripping everywhere. I need to start, boys. It's a bit of a handful, getting messy. Bismillah. Oi, 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 that is spicy, but the flavors are just 10-10, man.
One apple sugar, one orange, make this one.
The burger is too juicy, man. You've got too much stuff in there, but it's full of flavors. It's spicy, it's flavorsome, it's juicy, and I think it's probably the best spicy dip burger I've had. Let's go for another bite. Oi, oi, oi. Yo guys, trust me. This is what you want. Look at the burger, man. I'm halfway through and it's just too much going on here, fam. I gotta move the burger in a bit. Oof, that is a burger and a half. I think the chicken's cooked perfectly. The spice mix is actually good. It's a lot different to other spicy burgers I've tried. Well, I haven't tried many. I've tried the 3-in-1 and the shop next door to it. But I think this spicy burger, this is something special, boys. This is definitely something you want to try. I strongly recommend come here and try the spicy dip burger at Dixie's. They also do other products, other Dixie products. It's not only the spicy dip burger, but this is something new that Dixie's Castle Bromwich have put onto the market, and this is something that we are promoting. And boys, I'm loving it, baby. Look that is a good burger, man. I gotta have the whole burger with you guys. Look at that bite on that. Juicy, loosey. Alhamdulillah. I'm definitely gonna give that burger 10-10. Definitely. If you want the best spicy dip burger, you're coming down here. You know where to come down. You're coming to Dixie's Castle Bromwich. I'm gonna leave all the details down below in the description box, and otherwise you can Google them and it will bring you to them. When you come here, you mention G9BDN and they will give you a discount, or they will look after you. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for viewing. I'm gonna see you on the next vlog, baby.